If you're looking to make some serious money online, this one ChatGPT skill could be your game changer. In today's digital world, where everyone is talking about tech and artificial intelligence, AI, there's a new, fast-growing skill set that can help you earn a significant passive income, no coding required. You may have heard about the importance of computer programming, but what if I told you that a major tech leader, such as OpenAI, is simplifying technology to the point where coding isn't as necessary anymore? Let me break it down. Imagine creating an entire automated customer service system that answers queries, resolves issues, and even makes personalized recommendations, all without writing a single line of code. Sounds unreal, right? But it's entirely possible with tools like ChatGPT. All you need to do is give clear instructions in natural language, and voila! You can have an AI-powered system up and running. But here's the exciting part: this skill, known as prompt engineering, is in high demand. And it's shaping up to be one of the most crucial skills for the future. In fact, experts believe that AI will continue to disrupt traditional industries, and people who understand how to effectively communicate with AI will be the ones to thrive. So, what exactly is prompt engineering, and why is it becoming so important? Let's dive deep into this skill, how you can learn it, and how it can help you build a steady income stream, all from the comfort of your home. What is prompt engineering? At its core, prompt engineering is the skill of writing effective prompts, or instructions, for AI models like ChatGPT to get the best possible results. It's a blend of art and science, where you craft specific instructions for the AI to ensure clarity, precision, and efficiency. Think of it like having a conversation with AI where you guide it to perform tasks based on your requirements. For example, if you simply ask ChatGPT to write an email, it will generate a basic email. But if you say, write an email to a startup founder requesting a product demo meeting, with a professional tone, you will get a much more tailored and detailed email. This is the power of prompt engineering. It lets you control the AI to produce exactly what you need, whether that's an email, video script, or anything else. In a nutshell, prompt engineering involves creating clear, concise, and targeted instructions that help AI perform tasks efficiently. It's a skill that combines creative thinking with a strategic approach to problem solving. Why is prompt engineering in demand? As AI tools become more sophisticated, businesses everywhere want to use these technologies to automate tasks and improve efficiency. However, these AI models, like ChatGPT, are only as effective as the prompts you provide them. This is why businesses are looking for skilled prompt engineers, people who know how to give AI models the right instructions to maximize their potential. For example, in industries like healthcare, AI is used to analyze patient data. In marketing, AI is used to design personalized campaigns. In both cases, AI needs to be instructed precisely to deliver the desired output. As you can see, prompt engineering is becoming an essential skill for many sectors, and this demand is expected to grow exponentially. By 2030, it's estimated that AI will replace millions of jobs, but those who adapt and upskill in AI-related fields, like prompt engineering, will stay relevant in the job market. The job prospects for prompt engineers are incredibly promising, with high-paying opportunities available in industries ranging from tech to healthcare to education and more. High salaries for prompt engineers. Let's talk about money. A few months ago, a company based in San Francisco, Anthropic, posted a job vacancy for prompt engineers with a salary of $35,000 per month. Similarly, companies like Clarity and even Netflix are offering six-figure salaries for prompt engineering roles. In India, the average salary for a prompt engineer is around 39.3 lakh rupees annually. Now that's impressive for a skill that doesn't require traditional coding expertise. What's even more exciting is that this isn't just limited to the tech industry. Fields like healthcare, marketing, and education are increasingly relying on AI and prompt engineering to enhance their processes. Whether it's analyzing patient data, creating personalized learning materials, or designing marketing campaigns, AI is revolutionizing these industries, and skilled prompt engineers are at the heart of this transformation. Do you need to know coding? The best part about prompt engineering is that you don't need any coding knowledge to get started. Gone are the days when you had to learn complicated programming languages to build automated systems or create AI solutions. With prompt engineering, you can achieve all of this by simply mastering how to communicate effectively with AI in natural language. So, if you come from a non-tech background, don't worry, this field is open to everyone. With a little creativity and strategic thinking, you can become a skilled prompt engineer and start building AI-powered solutions that are in high demand. Time and resource efficiency. One of the main reasons prompt engineering is such a valuable skill is its ability to save both time and resources. Traditionally, a programmer would spend days or weeks developing a system. In contrast, a skilled prompt engineer can accomplish the same tasks in a fraction of the time, making AI integration much more efficient for businesses. This efficiency is not only cost-effective for companies but also makes prompt engineers highly sought after. Versatility of prompt engineering. Another reason prompt engineering is such a valuable skill is its versatility. It's not limited to just one field or industry. Whether you're working in marketing, customer service, content creation, or even education, prompt engineering can help streamline processes, enhance productivity, and deliver personalized solutions. For example, marketing. You can use AI to design personalized ad campaigns and marketing strategies. Customer service. Create AI-powered chatbots that answer frequently asked questions and resolve customer queries. Education. Develop AI-driven personalized learning modules for students. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks and processes to increase efficiency. The applications of prompt engineering are vast, making it a highly flexible and valuable skill to learn. How to learn prompt engineering? Now that you understand the value of prompt engineering, you may be wondering how to get started. Here's the good news: you can start learning prompt engineering from the comfort of your home, at your own pace. There are various resources available for beginners and advanced learners alike. For example, LearnPick.in offers a comprehensive guide on prompt engineering, which covers everything from basic concepts to advanced techniques. It's perfect for those just starting out and looking to build a solid foundation. If you're serious about mastering this skill, SkillsHeed offers a complete ChatGPT course that covers everything you need to know about prompt engineering. In just 3 hours, you will learn how to craft effective prompts, explore real-world applications of AI, and discover how to use ChatGPT to enhance your personal and professional life. This course even offers a certification, which can help boost your resume and increase your earning potential by 3x. The course is normally priced at 11,999 rupees, but you can grab it for a steep discount using a special code. So, if you're ready to upskill and step into the world of AI, this is your opportunity. Join AI communities and networks. Learning is not just about consuming information, it's also about sharing and interacting with others. Join communities and forums that focus on AI and prompt engineering. Platforms like Reddit and official AI forums are great places to connect with like-minded individuals. Share your experiences and learn from others. As you gain expertise, you can even start solving real-world problems using AI. Monetizing prompt engineering skills. As you develop your prompt engineering skills, you'll find several ways to monetize them. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of businesses looking for AI-powered solutions. You can design chatbots, create marketing strategies, or develop personalized AI systems for clients. Consulting. Offer your expertise to businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations. Help them optimize workflows and maximize the potential of AI. Digital products. Create and sell AI tools, templates, or courses. For example, marketing professionals might need pre-written ad copy generators, or e-commerce businesses might need AI tools for product recommendations. Job opportunities. If you prefer a traditional job, many companies are actively hiring prompt engineers for high-paying positions. Prompt engineering is more than just a new skill, it's the key to unlocking a world of opportunities in the AI-driven future. Whether you want to build a career, start freelancing, or create your own AI products, this is a skill that can transform your life. The demand for prompt engineers is growing, and with the right knowledge and approach, you could be earning significant income in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning prompt engineering today and open the door to new career opportunities and income streams. Check out the links in the description and take the first step towards mastering AI and prompt engineering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.